Hey everyone, it's me, your boy Paradox. Today I'm going to show you the best way to make money on the MapleStory Marketplace. So go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how you make the most money in MapleStory. I ran into a bit of an issue unlinking the character from my account after reaching level 200, which caused the floor price to drop a bit. I ended up selling the bishop without any gear for $330. Right now the floor price is around $400. I'm going to quickly withdraw the funds so you can see how easy it is to move money from the game to your MetaMask wallet or an exchange like Binance. Let's head over to the MSU.io website and click on Swap and Warp. Here in the Swap section, I'm going to exchange the Nessos I earned in-game for the NXPC token. Now in the Warp section, I'm going to send my NXPC tokens from the Genesis network to my MetaMask wallet on the AVAX C-chain. As you can see, the tokens have already arrived in my MetaMask wallet. The warp function simply bridges the tokens from the Genesis network to another network, in our case, the AVAX C-chain. Once they're on a different network, you can swap them for other coins like Ethereum, USDC, and so on, or send them to an exchange like Binance. Before we get started, I want to show you another character I created, a Corsair. It's only 4 days old and already level 177. This character is insane. The boss damage with just basic gear is unreal. I'll try to do a full review on it in the next video if possible, but for now I want to show you some items I bought for really cheap so you can see how much they've increased in value since I got them. These neophyte items originally cost me around 380,000 to 500,000 Nessos each when I bought them. Now the cheapest one on the market is going for about 3 million Nessos, so their value has increased roughly 8 times in just 1 week. But why is that? These items hold relatively high value because it's very cheap to roll potential stats on them. For example, the Zakum helmet or the Balrog boots only cost around 4,000 to 6,000 Nessos to reroll. That means you can get powerful bonus stats for a very low cost. So even though these are low-level items, they can have a huge impact on your character. Not because of the base item itself, but because of the bonus attributes you can roll cheaply. So, one of the most profitable ways to make money on the marketplace early on was buying items, rolling for legendary or unique attributes, and then reselling them. If you check the market, items with legendary or unique stats are insanely expensive. That's why it's often smarter to buy low-level items, roll strong attributes on them, and resell. It's one of the most consistent ways to make money through the game's marketplace. Another method is the free-to-play route, leveling up characters and selling them on the market. I'm going to show you how to figure out which characters are the best to sell. Basically, on the MapleStory Marketplace, we're looking for characters that have a high resale value. The key here is knowing which characters are getting high offers without any gear. That's how we can make smart decisions as free-to-play players. If a character is getting strong offers even without items, that's the one you want to create and level up to sell. This logic also applies to item trading, but in this case, we're focusing on the free-to-play method to maximize profits and make some good money for free. As you saw, there's only one level 200 Corsair on the market right now, and it only has one cheap NFT item. That listing has an offer of over $800. Like I mentioned, the Corsair I'm currently leveling reached level 177 in just 4 days. And in 2 more days max, it'll hit level 200. So this is a great free-to-play method to make some solid money without spending anything. You can look into other classes too, but the logic is the same. Find characters that are getting high offers. And keep in mind, you don't even need to reach level 200 to sell. That same Corsair at level 180 is currently going for around $400. So in just 4 days, you can get a character to that level pretty easily. That's it for today, everyone. This video was a bit shorter because I really want to keep playing on my Corsair. The class is just insane, and I'm having a blast. Once I sell it, the next one I'll create will be an assassin, and I'll bring you a full review once I get started. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, make sure to drop a like and let me know in the comments how you are making money in the game. And if you run into any issues, leave a comment. I'll do my best to help as soon as I can. Until next time, take care and big hugs.